What's up guys, Dylan here, and on today's episode we're talking spark plugs. Stay tuned. See what I did there? Stay tuned, you get it? You get it? Okay. Just like my first kiss or the time I lit the house on fire. It was kind of a bad day. Simply put, a spark is something that sets things into motion. The spark plug is responsible for lighting the compressed gas built up inside your engine. This then pushes on your piston and in turn moves your crankshaft and creates motion. If the spark plug ever gets fouled out or has bad connection, you will not have, well... So now spark plugs come in all different shapes and sizes, even some different materials, but essentially they all do the same thing. Just make sure that the plugs you are getting are specifically rated for your engine. See, spark plugs can run in different heats. Some spark plugs can run cold while others run hot. 2 is the hottest and 12 is the coldest. Now these temperatures don't have anything to do with the spark that comes off of them, but more or less how they distribute heat inside of the spark plug itself, thus helping prevent pre-ignition and so on. First off, let's take a look at the spark plug anatomy to kind of learn what's going on. Starting at the top of the plug, you're looking at the terminal nut, or the stud. Here is going to be where we'll connect our plug wires. Just below that, you have your ceramic insulator, and below that, we have our hex nut. This is where you'll be placing your wrench to screw the plug into the engine. Going down below that, you're going to have your threads, and finally, you're going to have your center electrode and your ground electrode. So how do you know you have a fouled out spark plug? What do you look for? What are a couple of the signs? If, when you go to pull out your spark plug, the tip is dark or wet, this is a clear indicator that your plug is most likely fouled. When the tip of the spark plug gets coated or covered in oil or carbon, the spark is not going to be able to reach the other end of the electrode, and obviously, well, there's no spark. At this point, you have 2 options. Number 1, purchase a new set of spark plugs. Spark plugs are pretty cheap, so I recommend this option. Number 2, you can always go to cleaning your plugs, but if you do go that route, make sure that you double check the gap using a gap tool. This is highly crucial in making sure that your machine runs at its optimal performance level when cleaning your plugs. A spark plug that burns properly should be a light golden color, almost look like a perfectly golden marshmallow. Definitely not the ones with the flames coming off of it though. Now, since we're taking the time to change our spark plugs, it might be a good idea to look into our wires as well. Putting on new wires and new spark plugs gives you a peace of mind that everything is working properly and at its absolute best. Now, one of the biggest benefits to having properly working spark plugs is fuel consumption. If the spark plugs do not run properly, you're wasting valuable fuel and power that your vehicle might be needing to perform at its best. Now, while we're on the topic of fuel, we might as well talk about gas lines, because if there's no gas reaching the cylinders, you're not going to have anything for that spark to ignite. So check your gas lines, make sure they're not plugged or cracked. And if you do end up replacing your gas lines, a quick and easy way to get them attached back to your carburetors is to dip the tip of the rubber hose in a cup of hot water for about 20 seconds. This will help expand the plastic and help you put it right back onto your carburetors with ease. That's going to do it for us today, guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. For more information on the products listed in this video, click on the link in the description area below. Feel free to call us with any questions or place an order at 800-969-7501. Don't forget to smash that like button, comment, share, and subscribe for all of the latest DK events, videos, and promos.